I think we're going to get started. Okay. So, all right. So, good evening, everyone from the East Coast. It could be morning from where you're at, could be evening, could be night, afternoon, whatever it may be. Welcome. So, we will be talking about understanding human biology, exploring the fundamentals of male and female physiology. So, the reason why I wanted to share this with everyone, I always wanted to know what these, um, there's a lot of people out there in this world nowadays that believe that transgender people can get pregnant, and I'm like, okay, so I want to learn your beliefs and how is that possible. And I'm not here to contradict you, to change your mind. I just want to learn uh, what you think and what um, you know your opinions, or in your personal knowledge, how can transgender female are able to get pregnant. And I was just curious, just want to learn from my own personal education, and maybe other people will be interested as well. So feel free to drop in a like, a share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Any questions? Maybe somebody else here in this chat can answer any of your questions. And we're just here for educational purpose only, not to bash on anyone, and just to learn from one another. And that's why I wanted to do this. All right. So, all right. So before we explore the complexities of gender identity and reproductive health, let's start with the fundamental physiological differences that distinguish males and females. Okay, so in this video series, we'll break down the science behind human biology, exploring the unique functions contributing to our male and female identities, from the in, in, intricacies of reproductive systems to the influence of hormones. We'll unravel the mysteries that shape who we are. So, whether you're curious about the science of gender or seeking a refresher on basics, join me in this exploration of fascinating world of human biology. Let's kick things off by understanding the fundamental aspects of how a human male and female function on a biological level. So stay tuned for an enlightenment journey ahead. This introduction sets the stage for a series aiming to provide educational insight into the biological aspects of being a male or female. Subsequent content will explore scientific topics such as reproductive system, hormones, and other psychological aspects. Now let's delve into the core elements that differentiate males and females at a biological level. Our journey begins with the reproductive systems, the intricate mechanisms crucial of continuation of our species. The male reproductive system is designed for the production and delivery of sperm, containing vital components of fertilization. On the other hand, the female reproductive system is a marvel with the ability to nurture and bring forth new life. We'll explore the unique functions of the testes and ovaries, understanding how they contribute to the miracle of conception. Hormonal influences. Hormones act as messengers in the body, orchestrating a symphony of charges and regulating various functions. We'll uncover the role of testosterone in males and estrogen and progesterone in females, understanding how these hormones influence everything from physical traits to emotional well being. Chromosomes and genetics. Beyond the visible differences, our genetic makeup plays a pivotal role in determining our sex. We'll demystify the X and Y chromosomes and explore how they shape our biological characteristics. Alrighty, beyond biology. While biology forms the foundation, it's essential to recognize that gender identity is a complex interplay of biological, social, and personal factors. As we progress in this series, we'll navigate the diverse aspects of gender, acknowledging that each individual's journey is unique. Let's look at a more in depth exploration of specific aspects of male and female biology, touching on reproductive systems, hormones, genetics, and acknowledging the complexity of gender identity. The goal is to provide informative content that fosters understanding and appreciation for the intricacies of human biology. Male reproductive system. Anatomy of the male reproductive system. At the core of a male reproductive system are several key components, each with a crucial role to play. We start with the testes, often referred to as the male gonads. These paired organs, located in the cercum, are responsible for the production of sperm and secretion of hormones, particularly testosterone. Moving along the journey of sperm, we encounter the epididy- epididymis. This coiled tube, connected to each testicle, serves as a storage and maturation sites for sperm. It's it's a crucial waypoint in the development of these tiny yet powerful contributors to the process of fertilization. The vas deferens, a muscular tube, takes center stage as it transports mature sperm from the epididymis of the ejaculatory duct. Sorry about that. Um, Epididymis to the ejaculatory duct. This journey sets the stage for the culmination of the male reproductive process, the miracle of sperm production. Now let's shine a spotlight on sperm production, a marvel orchestrated by the testes. Within these seminiferous tubules, a micromic dance unfolds as specialized cells undergo spermatogenesis. This this intricate process results in the formation of sperm, each carrying the genetic information necessary for the creation of a life. As sperm travel through the vast defer, def, deferens, additional secretions from accessory glands, including the seminal vesicles and prostate gland, join the journey. These fluids provide the necessity, nourishment, and environments of sperm survival, creating semen, the vehicle of life. The journey of sperm. As we follow the journey of sperm, we reach the final stage, ejaculation. During sexual activity, Muscles propel semen through the urethra and out of the body. This intricate process is a testament to the precision and coordination within the male reproductive system. Female reproductive system, unveiling the wonders of human biology. Anatomy of the female reproductive system. At the heart of the female reproductive system are organs that work in a harmony to facilitate the creation of life. We begin our journey with the ovaries, the female, the female gonads. These paired organs nestle with the pelvic cavity, play a pivotal role in the production of eggs, or ova, and the secretion of hormones including estrogen and progesterone. Connected to the ovaries are the fallopian tubes, delicate pathways that serve as conduits for eggs to travel from the ovaries to the uterus. It's long, it's long, but these tubes that fertilization often takes place, making a crucial stage in the reproductive process. The uterus, a muscular organ, takes center stage in the female reproductive system. Its lining, known as the endom- endometrium, undergoes cyclical changes in preparation for potential pregnancy. If fertilization occurs, the uterus becomes the nurturing environment for the developing embryo. The menstrual cycle and ovulation. Now let's dive into the intricate dance of menstrual cycle. Lasting approximately 28 days, this cyclical process involves the release of an egg from one of the ovaries, a phenomenon known as ovulation. The menstrual cycle prepares the body for the possibility of pregnancy, which the uterus undergoes changes for to support fetal fetal development. Should fertilization not occur, the uterine lining sheds, making the onset of menstruation. This cycle process is a testament to the dynamic nature of female reproductive system. Supporting structures of hormonal influence. As we explore the supporting structures, we encounter the cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina. The vagina, a muscular tube, serves as the birth canal during childbirth and is also key player to the sexual reproduction. Hormones, including estrogen and progesterone, play a pivotal role in orchestrating the menstrual cycle and maintaining the health of the female reproductive system. These chemical messengers regulate everything from ovulation to the thickening of the uterine lining. As we encounter the miracle of conception, as we conclude our journey through the female reproductive system, we are left in awe of the intricate process that paved the way for the creation of life. From the ovaries to the uterus, from ovulation to menstruation, each element plays a crucial role in this extraordinary dance of nature. Hormones and their effect. Unraveling nature's symphony. Hormones as messengers. At the heart of our endocrine system of hormones signaling molecules that travel through the bloodstream, influencing various physiologi- phy- physiological processes. Today, we spotlight three key hormones: testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, and the estrogen and progesterone, crucial in the female reproductive system. Testosterone and its influence. Let's begin with testosterone, often associated with the male characteristics. Produced primarily in testes, testosterone plays a multifaceted role. Its responsibility for the development of male reproductive tissues, including the testes and prostate, as well as the deepening of the voice and growth of the facial and body hair during puberty. Beyond physical traits, testosterone also impacts mood, energy levels, and libido. Its presence is integral to the overall health and well-being of males. Estrogen and progesterone in females. Shifting our focus to females, we encounter the dynamic duo of estrogen and progesterone, pro- produced primarily in ovaries. These hormones regulate the menstrual cycle and contribute to various aspects of female development. Estrogen, in particular, is associated with the development of secondary sexual characteristics, such as breast developing, dre- breast development and the widening of hips during puberty. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining before density and supporting healthy skin. Progesterone, on the other hand, is essential for the preparation and maintaining of the uterine lining during the menstrual cycle. It's a key player in sustaining pregnancy and supporting fetal development. As we marvel at the effects of these hormones, it's essential to recognize the delicate balance required for optimal health. Hormones not only influence physical characteristics but also contribute to emotional well-being and cognitive functions. Imbalances of hormones level can lead to a range of conditions, from reproductive disorders to mood swings. Understanding the intricate dance of hormones is a crucial step towards promoting overall health and well-being. Chromosomes and genetics. This is going to get interesting, and this is what I was kind of looking for, and determine if a transgender is actually is female or can give birth. Well, let's get into this. So decoding X and Y, the generics, the genetics of gender, the genetic blueprint, as we all know, right? At the core of our biological identity lies our genetic blueprint. Our chromosomes, thread-like structure within our cells, carry the instructions that govern all development. While we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, it's the 23rd pair that holds the key to our sex. The X and Y chromosomes. Let's focus on the X and Y chromosomes, the architect of gender. Females typically have two X chromosomes, so 2X, while males carry one X and one Y chromosome, X and Y. So female chromosomes are two X's and male chromosomes is one X and one Y. It's the combination inherited from our parents that determines our biological sex. Okay, so let's take a sidetrack here for a second. Here are a few questions. What are the chromosomes for a trans? What are the chromosomes of a transgender male and the chromosomes of a transgender female? Do your chromosomes change once you become a transgender, or it stays the same? So, in order for you to become a transgender, your chromosomes have to change. Is that what actually happens once you become a transgender? And this is what one of the reasons why um, I want to share that with out there, give your thoughts, and this is what I like to um, learn and what what triggers or what constitutes transgender. Are you able to get are transgender females able to get pregnant? So chromosomes are structures within cells that carry genetic information in humans. In humans, there are typically two sex chromosomes, as I stated, X and Y. Typically, individuals with two X chromosomes are assigned female at birth, and those with XY chromosomes are assigned male. Okay, so let's repeat that again. Typically, individuals with two X chromosomes are assigned female at birth, and those with XY chromosomes are assigned male. It's important to note that being transgender is about gender identity, which is a deeply felt sense of being male, female, or another gender. So there's more than three genders. There's more than two, I should say. Are there more than two? So according to this, there's only two. So if there's another gender, um, comment below and, and state your thoughts so we can be better educated. Gender identity may may or may or may not align with sex assigned at birth based on chromosomes. Transitioning is a process that some transgender individuals undergo a life in a way that aligns with their gender identity. However, chromosomes themselves generally do not change. However, chromosomes themselves generally do not change as a result of gender transition. So if you're a man and you're transitioning to a female, are you still considered 100% woman? This is the question. Hormone therapy or gender affirming treatments may lead to physical changes, such as the development of secondary sexual characteristics like breast growth or facial hair. But these treatments do not alter the underlying chromosome structure. Overall, transgender individuals may undergo various social, medical, or legal processes to affirm their gender identity. But the core chromosomal makeup typically remains the same. It is essential. It's essential to respect and affirm individuals' gender identities and use the pronouns that align with their affirmed gender. So does this mean that they're actual female once they transition, or are they still, or is a transgender female um, technically speaking a male, or are they female? Explain your thoughts in the comments below. I would really appreciate that. And and um, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share so I can create more content of this type. So, biological significance. The presence of the Y chromosome triggers the development of male reproductive organs during embryonic growth. Without it, embryonic growth. Without it, the default pathway leads to the development of female reproductive structures. This fundamental process shapes not only our repro- repro- reproductive capabilities, but also secondary sexual characteristics. As we delve into genetics, it's crucial to acknowledge the diversity with our DNA. Genetic variations, including conditions released to sex chromosomes, can occur. For example, let me take that back. For instance, individuals with variations in the number of sex chromosomes may experience differences in development and reproductive health. Beyond binary, while our discussion has centered on the traditional binary understanding of sex chromosomes, it's essential to recognize that not all individuals fit neatly into this framework. Intersex variations, where individuals may have a combination of male and female biological features, underscore the complexity of genetic diversity. This I've heard it before. Um, an individual having both organs. Um, can't remember the name of them. Mm, can't remember the name of. Well, anyway, hermaphrodites. Is that the right word? Is that proper to say? Hermaphrodite? Okay. Gender identity. Understanding gender beyond biology. The intersection of biology and identity. While biology forms the foundation of our sex, gender identity expands beyond this binary framework. Gender is a deeply personal and intrinsic sense of self, en- encompassing how individuals perceive and experience their own identity in relation to the concepts of masculinity, femininity, or beyond. Social and cultural dimensions. As we navigate the landscape of gender identity, it's crucial to recognize the profound impact of social and cultural factors. Societal expectations, cultural norms, and historical contexts shape how individuals express and perceive their gender. Understanding the social dimensions of gender is key to fostering inclusivity and respect. Diversity of gender identities. The spectrum of gender identities is vast and varied. Beyond the binary of males and females, individuals may identify as binary. Kind of got lost here a little bit. Beyond the binary of males and females, individuals may identify as binary, genderqueer, gender fluid, gen or gender, among other terms. Each identity is valid, reflecting the diversity of human experiences and expressions. Gender expressions versus identity. It's important to distinguish between gender expression and gender identity. Gender expression relates to how individuals outwardly express their gender through appearance, clothing, and behavior. Generic gender identity, on the other hand, is an internal and deeply felt sense of being male, female, or another gender. Hmm. Which gender would that be? Being female, being deeply felt sense of being male, female, or other gender. So if there's more than one gender, I mean more than two genders, what is it? Comment below. I would love to hear your opinion. Intersectionality. Recognizing the intersectionality of gender is paramount. Gender identity intersects with other aspects of identity, such as race, ethnicity, sexuality, and disability. Embracing the intersectionality fosters a more comprehensive understanding of the challenges and experiences faced by individuals with diverse identities. Respecting diverse journeys. As we delve into the complexity of gender identity, let's approach these discussions with empathy and respect. Each person's journey is unique, and by acknowledging and celebrating this diversity, we contribute to a more exclusive and compassionate world. So, anyone wants to comment any questions? Um, Any answers to this? Or somebody answers a question, anybody else is more than welcome to answer. But let's all be respectful. Understanding transgender pregnancy and identity. But before we delve in, if you enjoy this content, consider subscribing, ringing that notification bell. Oops, I don't have a bell. So you know which bell I'm talking about. Ring that bell. Um, ringing that notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful discussions. Okay? Much appreciated. Transgender pregnancy. Our journey might challenge traditional perceptions. Transgender pregnancy. Huh. Transgender pregnancies. Yes, it's a reality, and we're here to understand that and respect this aspect of transgender experiences. Transgender individuals who have retained their reproductive organs or have chosen not to undergo certain surgeries can and do experience pregnancy. Distinguishing transgender male and female. Now let's clarify what we mean by transgender male and female. A transgender male is an individual assigned female at birth but identifies and lives as a male. On the other hand, a transgender female is assigned male at birth but identifies and lives as a female. These identities are valid, and it's essential essential to honor individuals' gender identity. Transitioning and identity. As individuals undergo gender affirming processes, which may include hormones, therapy, or surgeries, it's crucial to recognize that their gender identity remains valid. Transitioning is a deeply personal journey, and each person's experience is unique. After transitioning, individuals are affirmed in their gender identity, whether that aligns with societal expectations or not. Post transition identity. So, are you still transgender after transitioning? The answer is nuances. While the term transgender often implies a misalignment between assigned sex at birth and current gender identity, some individuals may continue to identify as transgender even after their transition. Others may simply identify as male or female. It's a matter of personal choice and how one relates to their narrative. Transcending boundaries, understanding transgender pregnancy and identity. Description: Embark on a profound exploration of transgender experiences, focusing on the intricate relationship between transgender identity, pregnancy, and the impact of surgeries. As we navigate the nuanced journey of transgender males and females, understanding how they may experience parenthood and how identity evolves in their context of surgical interventions. Transgender male and pregnancy. Let's begin on focusing males. A transgender male assigned female at birth might have the uterus. If a transgender male assigned a female at birth might have uterus and ovaries, as they have not undergone surgeries like hysterectomy, no, hysterectomy, they retain the potential for pregnancy. This unique journey may involve considerations of family planning, healthcare experiences, and societal expectations. It's a testament to the diverse ways individuals navigate their identities and experiences. Transgender male after surgery. Now, what if a transgender male undergoes surgery like hysterectomy? Does this impact their transgender identity? The answer lies in the personal narrative. While surgeries alter the physical and landscape, the sense of being transgender is rooted in gender identity. Some may continue to embrace the term transgender, while others may feel their identity has evolved beyond the confines of traditional label. Transgender female in pregnancy. Turning our attention to transgender females, those assigned male at birth may face challenges related to the fertility, particularly in hormone therapy or surgeries, impact reproductive capabilities. capabilities. The journey to parenthood may involve assisted reproductive technologies, surrogacy, or adoption. Hmm, never heard of that before. Surrogacy, I don't know. Man, I'll look it up after. Each choice affects the unique path individuals carve within the border tapestry and transgender experiences. Identity after surgery. Now, a crucial question arises. If transgender individuals have their biological parts removed, are they still transgender? The answer lies in the understanding that transgender identity is not solely defined by the physical attributes. It's an intrinsic sense of self that transcends the physical realm. Individuals who undergo surgeries may still identify as transgender, while others may feel their gender identity aligns more closely with societal expectations. Okay, navigating parenthood and identity. As transgender individuals navigate the complexities of parenthood, surgeries, and evolving identities, social norms and healthcare practices must adapt to affirm and support their diverse experiences. Creating inclusive spaces and fostering understanding is essential to ensuring that everyone's journey is respected and celebrated. So, in conclusion to all this, as we conclude this exploration of transgender pregnancy and identity, we are reminded of the beauty found in diversity. If you have any questions or if there's a specific aspect you'd like me to explore in future videos, please share these comments below. And thank you for joining me on this intricate journey. By learning together, we can contribute to a world that embraces the richness of human experiences. Until next time, take care. Thank you for watching. Good night. No, it doesn't want to shut off. Oh boy, damn phone.